Now, how to claim your SerenityShield tokens from the Vlaunch platform. So as of now, the lottery has completed. So we entered the distribution phase and we will soon be able to claim these tokens. What you will need to know is you are able to only claim these tokens on the BSC network. So if you will click on it, manage allocations, then you will see it here standing that you have to connect to the BSC network. Of course, I will show you exactly how to do that in the video, in the video that follow, when we will be able to claim them, but I will tell you exactly when to be able to claim them. But actually what you will have to do is just, you go to your MetaMask and then on the left side, you will see Ethereum mainnet, that you will actually change it into BSC mainnet. One click on BSC mainnet, and then you are now on the Binance mainnet. So as of now, if you click on that, you should be able to claim these tokens, but today they are unclaimable. The reason for why they are still unclaimable has to do with, let's go to the project itself and then see when we will be able to claim it. So as you can see, the moment of claiming ends by 9 days, 17 hours, almost 10 days from today. So in about 10 days from today, you will be able to claim these tokens. And then I will also make an updated video on how to claim these tokens. I'm already happy with the price. So for now, the price actually did really well. And of course, let's see what that will mean once we are able to claim these tokens. But I definitely would recommend to look always deeper into the project. I strongly would recommend that. It's really important to put yourself on top of your